Hello and welcome to the first user's review of Lekto Wood Fuels products. Today we'll look closely at the Lekto Natural Firelighters, currently on sale at £24.95 for a box of 250 firelighters. We'll investigate their claims. Starting a fire will be effortless and not a chore or a struggle. No nasty chemical smells in the air or on your fingers. They say they are the best natural eco firelighters money can buy. Their long burn time and strong flame makes them the best choice for starting any indoor or outdoor fire. What's more, they're super economical. You'll only need to use a single natural firelighter per fire, so that's 250 fires if that's true, which would be amazing. The Lekto firelighters are made from wood, wool and a thin coating of natural wax. Perfect for barbecues and 100% safe to cook on. You won't ever have to worry about chemical smells ruining the aroma of your food. This makes them perfect for grilling, pizza ovens and barbecue firelighters. After checking the weight of the Lekto lighters, we're now looking at another well-known brand and can see that the Lekto is bigger and slightly heavier. Swapping here between brand B and the Lekto, the size and weight difference is clear to see. All tests will be done in our Dean Forge Baker Eco 5 stove. See how long they burn. We're going to start the Lekto on the left and the alternative brand over on the right. And start them both at one end. As you can see at the start, there is little difference. The tiny amount of smoke produced was not smelly at all. Now this will be a full burn video lasting 10 minutes in all, so I'll speed it up greatly to avoid my viewers getting bored. I think that's most of the useful flame used up. The Lekto one clearly lasted longer and seemed a little bit less smoky, I felt. So that's a bit of a win for the Lekto one. Okay, one of the important tests is how do they smell, because the Lekto one claims to be totally chemical free, just a little bit of natural wax, as does the alternative one. But let's have a sniff. Very slight, just a woody smell. Now, not just saying it, that's a slightly more waxy smell, so not unpleasant. But the Lekto one is probably the winner there because, yeah, nothing on my fingers. No. So, either's good. The Lekto one has the edge. So that's a good claim, verified. And it burnt slightly longer, but then it is fractionally bigger. So perhaps you would expect that. Of course, the biggest test is how does it light the fire. Now I'm going to use 2 of the Lekto kiln dried birch logs. They're in the bottom there already. And apparently I should be able to use just 1 of the firelighters, so we'll see. They say to make a sort of a Jenga tower. This is their Lekto kiln dried kindling, which I did try yesterday. It was really, really good. I generally do 3. See how it goes. So apparently I'll just put the 1 in the centre like that, and we'll see how we get on. I have to admit I've been using 2 or 3 of the other types. I'm going to shut the door. Let's zoom you in so you can watch. There's no question that's not going to burn well, is it? You saw how long the lighter went on its own. Whilst that gets going, let's take a look at the heat log. So here is one of the heat logs. See, it's got a hole right the way through, which is like a chimney, helps it all burn. Now let's see how dense it is. I can tell you it weighs a lot. Stop rolling. There we go. So I've got 2,050 grams. Good lord, that's heavy, isn't it? Let's just put it down again just to make sure of that. Yeah, that's what it weighs. And these are designed to get your stove up to temperature really quick. In the next video we'll take a close look at the heat logs, but for now that's the end of the review of the Lekto natural firelighters. I like them, and provided they stay competitive I'll be buying more, but not for a long time as they're very economical, as you've seen. See you over in part 2. Just checking in with the kindling, and as you can see it's now well alight. So it'll soon be ready for us to put the heat log on, and then hopefully the old temperature will start rising.